Grok 3 is going to be next level. I mean, what people are currently seeing with Grok is kind of baby Grok.
Yeah, baby Grok.
It's baby Grok right now.
What if an AI could access the latest news and trends in real time? With Grok, developed by Elon Musk's X.AI, that's exactly what you get. Grok's ability to stay up to date gives it a serious edge over competitors, and its performance is already outpacing models like ChatGPT in some areas, scoring 62.9% on the GSM-8K math benchmark. Grok isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to be a direct competitor to AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. But there's a twist. Grok has some features that set it apart from the crowd. One of the biggest things about Grok is its connection to real-time data, especially from the platform X. This allows it to provide up-to-date information that other AI models like ChatGPT can't keep up with. What does this mean for users? Well, instead of relying on old static data, Grok taps into the latest trends, news, and conversations. If you're looking for the most current info, Grok has an edge. Grok is different from other AI models because it's built on a wide range of data sources. Most AI models like ChatGPT rely on static data sets, meaning they use information that was available at the time they were last trained. Grok, on the other hand, has been trained on a mixture of internet content, social media posts, and articles from platforms like Wikipedia. This gives Grok a fresh, current perspective, unlike other models that might be stuck with outdated info. The real-time access to data through X means Grok is always in the know, offering up-to-date responses that others can't compete with. In addition, the way it processes these diverse sources of information helps it deliver a voice that's more human-like, playful, and sometimes a little edgy. One of the standout features of Grok is its dual interaction modes, Fun Mode and Regular Mode. Fun Mode is all about personality. It's designed to entertain users with humorous, witty, and sometimes sarcastic responses. Think of it like chatting with a friend who's got a great sense of humor, but maybe not always the best at giving facts. It's not perfect. Sometimes the information might be off, but that's the point. Fun Mode is more about keeping the conversation light and engaging. It's especially useful for casual topics or when you just want to have a laugh. There's no pressure for perfection, just a fun exchange of ideas. This style makes Grok stand out because it can deliver a more relaxed, enjoyable conversation compared to the more neutral tone of other AI chatbots. On the other hand, Grok has Regular, for those times when users need serious, accurate, and reliable information. While Fun Mode might be playful, Regular Mode aims for clarity and factual correctness. It's designed to help users get straight answers, whether they're asking about complex topics or everyday questions. The difference is that in this mode, Grok focuses on providing well-researched, accurate responses, even though it may still make occasional mistakes. Regular Mode is better suited for users who are seeking professional, informative help, like getting quick answers for work or research. It shows Grok's versatility. It can be both fun and useful depending on what the user needs. This blend of both modes helps Grok cater to a wide range of audiences, from those looking for a lighthearted conversation to those who need reliable information. Grok's major advantage over ChatGPT is its ability to access real-time data from X, keeping track of current events, trending topics, and the latest news. This allows Grok to stay up to date and relevant, unlike ChatGPT, which relies on static data sets and is limited to knowledge available when it was last trained in 2021. While Grok's access to real-time information is a clear benefit, it also brings challenges, such as the potential for spreading misinformation from social media. So, while Grok's ability to stay current is impressive, it isn't without risks. While Grok's real-time data access is a huge advantage, it also raises some red flags. Because Grok pulls data from social media, there's a risk it could spread misinformation. Social platforms like X are full of unverified and sometimes misleading content. If Grok isn't careful, it could end up sharing false or biased information. Elon Musk has been very vocal about his criticism of how other AI models like ChatGPT handle data. He believes they have biases and aren't transparent enough, but at what cost? Some of Grok's responses have already sparked controversy. There have been reports of it spreading fake news about political figures, which is a major concern for public discourse, especially with elections on the line. So while Grok's real-time updates are a strength, they also make it more vulnerable to getting things wrong. Does this mean Grok can't be trusted? Well, it's clear that as it evolves, how Grok handles misinformation will be a huge factor in determining its success. Now here's something that's definitely raising eyebrows. Elon Musk has mentioned that Grok could play a role in healthcare, particularly when it comes to analyzing medical images. But this idea brings up some serious privacy issues. Social media platforms are known for their strict privacy rules. So if Grok starts analyzing personal health data, what happens to that information? Given how sensitive medical data is, many are concerned about how Grok would handle it. Could it leak private information? Could people misuse it? These are questions that Musk and his team will have to address if they want Grok to gain trust in sensitive fields like healthcare. How does Grok compare to ChatGPT and Gemini? When comparing Grok with ChatGPT and Gemini, Grok stands out due to its real-time data access, pulling in the latest information from X. This feature gives Grok an edge over both ChatGPT and Gemini, as they rely on static datasets that can become outdated. Additionally, Grok's Fun mode adds a unique personality to its interactions, offering humorous and witty responses that make it feel more engaging. Grok also has multimodal, meaning it can process both text and images, making it versatile. However, it is behind a paywall, requiring users to subscribe to X Premium Plus for full access. On the other hand, ChatGPT offers advanced features like browsing and image generation with its GPT-4 model, making it highly versatile for different tasks. However, it lacks real-time access to current data unless users opt for the premium version. Gemini, like ChatGPT, excels in performance and handles complex queries well, but also lacks real-time data access. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are more focused on providing detailed and accurate answers for technical or professional use cases, making them strong contenders for users seeking factual and in-depth responses. While Grok's playful nature and real-time updates make it stand out for casual use, ChatGPT and Gemini remain more reliable for serious and professional tasks. Will Grok succeed in dominating the AI space? The short answer? It depends. Grok is built to be different. Elon Musk wants it to be more than just another chatbot. He wants it to challenge the status quo and give people an alternative that's both fun and informative. The question, though, is whether Grok can overcome its challenges, like misinformation and privacy concerns. While Grok's personality and real-time updates give it a unique edge, its credibility and accuracy need to improve. If it can balance its playful side with serious responsibility, it might just be able to topple the likes of ChatGPT and Gemini. So, what's next for Grok? As it continues to evolve, we'll see how it handles the criticism, the challenges, and its own growing pains. Can it outshine ChatGPT and Gemini, or will it fall short? Time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Elon Musk's vision for Grok is ambitious, and it's definitely shaking up the AI world. Do you think Grok has what it takes to dominate the AI space? Or do you think ChatGPT and Gemini will continue to lead the way? Let's hear your thoughts. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.